Benzodiazepines are a type of medications which work on the GABA receptor in the body, and when it binds to this receptor, it helps for the body and mind to be There's many different types of these medications. Some of them may be stronger than others, while others maybe last longer. For example, Xanax is one of the more stronger ones. It can work very quickly, but on the caution side, it can be a little bit more addictive than the others. Whereas clonazepam, it sort of works longer. It's strong, but not as strong as Xanax, and it's easier to get off of it. Another one, lorazepam, can be safer in cases like for alcohol withdrawal or people with liver disease. So as you can imagine, calming the mind and body would be helpful in cases of like anxiety or other anxious. It can be helpful in anxiety disorders such as panic disorder. These types of medications may also be a good option as you wait for a more long-term or safer solution, such as the SSRIs, which I've mentioned in a previous video. These medications can be helpful, over time the body can get dependent on it to where it actually requires the medication to be in that calm state. The body can also get used to the medication over time, so you need to go up and up and up on the dose of the medication in order to have that calming effect. That's a term called tolerance. Side effects of these types of medications is it can cause sedation, it could cause drowsiness. Also, when mixed with alcohol, this effect can be doubled, and it can even slow down or stop the breathing altogether, causing death. So you got to be careful about mixing it with alcohol or pain medication. In particular, the opioid pain medications, which also slow down. It's a controlled medication, meaning it sort of can be monitored by the DEA, and so there is sort of a street value. Some people abuse these medications, so if it is lost or stolen, the police should be notified. If these medications are taken over several months or several years, it can be hard to get off of it, and it can actually cause a withdrawal reaction if stopped. If stopped suddenly, it can cause various reactions such as anxiety, irritability, insomnia, tremors. More concerning, it can cause seizures. Seizures can lead to a sudden death, so it's important to be cautious, get off of these medications over time. Choosing to be on a medication, it's important to know the benefits of it and the risks involved, and try to make an educated decision with your provider in choosing the right medication.